never felt that way. And if I had to tell you the truth, I'm afraid I'd have to say that after all I've done.
If we're going to be blessed by the Word of God, first we must welcome the Word of God into our lives. We must be receptive. The Word of God is a seed, and it's planted in our hearts.
Who's much better off than me? But I need to remember this, that it's when I'm at my weakest I can clearly